If you are thinking about buying MULN stock, then you need to watch this video until the end. MULN is down over 75% from where it was just last month. MULN has been fighting a NASDAQ listing requirement and has been issuing a flurry of public press releases in order to avoid falling under the $1 level. Unfortunately, that little tactic didn't work, and MULN is now under $1 at just 78 cents as of May 24, 2023. Guys, I warned you about the MULN drop, and fortunately, because you watched this channel, you didn't buy the stock and you didn't lose money, and there's nothing in my life that makes me more happy than that. However, if you did buy the stock before you watch this channel, then I want to give you some of your confidence back, okay? What happens if you bought this stock and it fell? How are you gonna get out of that hole? Well, we weren't trading MULN stock in our Discord. We were trading a stock called ZIM. ZIM at 8:48 a.m. Pacific Standard Time rallied all the way to $14.62. Our buy-in price was about $14. You can watch the live video right here. Then trading stocks like hubc, we want to try to find high quality stocks that have a good chance of rebounding. Right now, ZIM, even though it hasn't moved much yet, will probably rebound at some point. It'll probably come up to 1424, 1445. You're good then. By the way, we hit 1445 on ZIM, guys. Make sure to sell your position. Okay, so we made money on ZIM while all of the traders were losing money trading that horrible MULN stock. And I'm telling you guys, if you switch your mindset to I am only going to trade high quality stocks from now on, I made you promise in the last video that you were only going to trade high quality stocks. If you guys switch your mindset to I am only going to trade high quality stocks from now on, you are going to do much better off in the long run. Cut your losses quickly, trade high quality stocks, and always take profits. Guys, let's go over some winning strategy today. ZIM was our winning trade. Chaco here made $466 trading ZIM. What a wonderful trading day. And so congrats to Chaco for making $466. MULN was at $500 in the past. That attracts the traders in. That attracted you in. You think, oh, MULN's at $1 now. If MULN goes back to $500, then you know that's 500 times my money. But that rarely happens, guys. When MULN goes through something called a fundamental shift, okay, we're talking about a shift where the price goes down because it gets hit by an earnings report or by a lack of sales. Okay, there's a lot of different factors that can cause a fundamental shift, but once one happens, then we want to avoid the stock. Okay, when we get a fundamental shift to the downside, that's different from a technical shift. A technical shift is a stock going up and down slightly because of the technical traders, because of high frequency trading algorithms. There's a huge difference between fundamental shift and technical shift. So a fundamental shift means that a stock has actually changed in value due to the earnings of the company or the value of the company. That's what happened with MULN stock. Otherwise, there's no way the stock would go from $500 down to $1. Actually, it's less than $1 now. So there's no way that that shift would happen in a stock if we didn't get a fundamental shift. MULN was a victim to a fundamental shift. I need you guys to learn the difference between a fundamental and a technical shift by the end of this video so that you stop losing money, right? This is Daniel Channel is about helping you stop losing money and then helping you earn the money that you lost listening to bad trading channels that don't care about you, that don't care about your progress, about your success, and who receive huge payouts by banks to pump stocks like MULN, telling you to buy it, when in reality the stock is just going down the gutter. So we're going to take a look at ENVB today because we just took a trade on it today. ENVB, 20% profit. That's $2,000 if you're trading with just 10K. Guys, ENVB live trade right here. Rejection of any level yet. Okay, so ENVB did bounce off of that level. Take a look. So we had a bounce off of the 14-day simple moving average from $5.79, and the stock is already up past $6. We're going to hit $6.16. Mark my words, we're going to hit $6.16 on ENVB right now. Make sure to sell at that level. All right, we're going to win another trade today on ENVB. Watch for that bounce. Look at that, shooting up, $6.16. Hear that ding? Just won another trade. And now that we went over our ENVB live trade, let's take a look at two stocks that might rally within the next 3 trading days. The charts. MULN stock down from $1.30 all the way to 78 cents. So again, in the last 5 trading days, MULN has fallen really hard. I said I didn't like how MULN was quickly pushed down after it tried to rally at $1.20. And as we can see, the aftermath was brutal, down to 78 cents. How much are you losing on MULN right now? Think about it. If the stock goes from $1 to 80 cents, you lose 20%. If you invested $1,000, you lose $200. A lot of traders like to think about the profit that they could make, but what about the losses? How much have you lost trading garbage penny stocks like MULN? And are you going to keep trading garbage penny stocks like MULN? Or are you going to start trading high quality stocks like the stocks that we traded on our channel, the stock that we traded live, ZIM, which went from $14 all the way to a high of $14.62. That's real money. That's a 10% increase that would easily take you from $1,000 to $1,100, right? And it's not exactly a 10% increase, but regardless, ZIM is how Choco made $500. It's a stable stock, and even if a stock doesn't go up 100%, you can still make more money than you could trading a losing stock like MULN, right? What does it matter if a stock can go up 100% if it goes down 100%? What does it matter if you win a trade on some gamble if you lose all of your other trades? Guys, I'm serious here. If you can trade high quality stocks, which I'm going to help you find on this trading channel, I'm going to help you find the winners, then you can build your account and start making money consistently in the stock market. And that's what we're all about over here. I want you to take a look at EVgo. I called out EVgo a few days ago, back when it was at $3.85. We officially got a rally on EVgo after hours to $4, and we're going to watch EVgo in the near future. EVgo can pop up to $4.08. $4.43 is actually my main profit target for EVgo. Imagine if EVgo pops from 380, where we called it out, to $4.43. We're talking big money here on our EVgo swing trade. We don't want EVgo to go lower than $3.70. Otherwise, I'm stopping out and I'm calling the trade quits. But that being said, we got a really good entry on EVgo at $3.80, and EVgo can keep going up from here. This electric vehicle manufacturing company is way beaten down right now, and just because we had the stock dump, now is actually the time where we want to think about buying the stock, because the stock is holding the level here that we want the stock to hold at $3.65. The stock never pushed below there, and it did start going sideways. So EVgo is one of the stocks which I'm watching at $3.85 entry. If you're not in already, maybe you can take a small position if the stock is not already at profit target 2, which is 408, and then our profit target 3 is at $4.43. I know that's way up there. So you can also take profits at this level, $4.25 as well. That way you don't get stuck holding the bag. Okay. ABCL, another stock we're watching. ABCL is a stock which we called out at $6.50. It went to $7.49, and now it's back to about $7. I think ABCL can rally tomorrow from $7 to a good $7.13, $7.14, and yes, even $7.22. Guys, ABCL is a stock which we called out, which has probably already made you money. We did live trading on the Discord. Join the Discord as soon as possible and let's start making money together. Thank you for watching this trading channel. And if you're ready to take the next step, then click the link in the description. I have a free trial of my pro membership Discord where you can start making money with me, start training with me. You don't pay anything for your first 3 days, and this offer does end at the end of May. So you want to get in before the next 5 trading days, or you're not going to get a chance to try the pro membership, guys. You'll also get a one-on-one coaching session just for filling out the pro membership form. This is because I want you to have 100% confidence in how you're going to make money with day trading, with trading in general, and I'm going to be there with you every step of the way. Thank you guys for watching again, and see you in the next video.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Koda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Koda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?